Uh-oh, folks, I'm back at it again out here on the 50-yard line with the Remington 40XB and some Eley Tenex. Go check out the previous video. You'll see the new introduction of the Ransom International Ransom Master Series. The Ransom Master Series rests. I'm absolutely excited about this, and you'll understand why. If you're a fan of Wookiee, go and check out the previous video. Wookiee turned in some pretty good groups with some Lapua Center X that had not been lot tested through this thing. And I tell you what, I attribute that accuracy to this rest setup that I'm absolutely excited about. Well, this video is brought to you by Flywheel. No, that's not a company. It's a person that left a comment over at Dayattherange.com. He left a comment and said, man, I love that Remington 40XB. I have one myself from 1965, and it absolutely loves Eley Tenex. No matter what lot, he said. He said it just shoots great with Eley Tenex in general. Well, this thing's not lot tested. I think this is the second or third time I've had it out on the range. So, you know, I haven't done much shooting with it. It is a single feed. You can check out the features in the previous video. We're going to put 3 5-round groups, Eley Tenex, and see if Flywheel knows a little something about the setup. Woo-hoo! Let's get to it. I don't know, folks. Flywheel, this one's on you, buddy. Doesn't shoot great. I'm blaming you. All the criticism coming your way. All right. Oh, man, isn't that beautiful? It just naturally laying there. I'm going home, folks. Right dead center. Flywheel, you might be on to something. I ain't going home. I promise you guys 3 5-round groups. Let's see if I can hold it there. I don't think that was me either. Oh, I tell you what, started out good. The last 2 wasn't so great, though. I tell you what, let's get out 5 more rounds, folks. We're going to move to the next target. Cyclops Joe. Oh, my man Mike over at Possum Hollow. I haven't forgot about you, bud. Rick, is your 6 covered? You guys want a piece? Get in line. If you want a piece, holler me out. You know how to get in contact with me. Oh. And here's what we're going to do, folks. We're going to take the rear rest and adjust the windage. Spot on target. Why'd that shoot low? I don't know. Started out good, Flywheel. This was number 5, folks. Can I hold it or will I screw this thing up? Come on! What are you doing, big fella? Whoo! Boy, I've got to get better. I know one thing. It ain't this rest. This thing is holding it dead nut center. I'll get used to it. I think I might end up using this setup a little bit more. You'll see a lot more. Hey, if you have any questions about Ransom International, those guys pick up the phone on the first call generally. and they always respond to email. Though can be a little bit slow, but understand it's a small family operation that's going on over there that builds quality, absolutely quality rest. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the front rest and move its windage. And I need to lower it a little bit. Can we hold them in the center, folks? Can we hold them in the center? Oh, yeah. It ain't one hole, but I tell you what, for not being lot tested, I'm extremely excited about that. Flywheel, you might be on to something. I think I need to get a few boxes of a few different lots and see if I can hone this thing in. Legendary Remington 40XB. Reworked. You see it in the camo green there. Absolutely loving it. Beautiful, beautiful bedded stock. Very light, 8-ounce trigger, sitting on top. Some Ransom International Master Series rest. What a combo. Mr. Revolver Guy signing out. Thanks, Flywheel.